Hi students, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss some MCQ questions from areas related to circles. Question number 9. The area of the incircle of an equilateral triangle of side 42 cm is A. 22 root 3 cm square, B. 231 cm square, C. 462 cm square, D. 924 cm square. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. A, B, C, side 42 centimeter, and here also 42 centimeter. This is the incircle, the angle bisector, and this is the center O. This is P, and this is Q, and this point is R. Then area of equilateral triangle ABC means that is root 3 by 4 A square. A means that is 42 square. That is equal to area of the triangle AOB plus area of the triangle BOC plus area of the triangle AOC. Area of the triangle AOB means half into base into altitude. Here altitude is radius of the incircle, and here also radius of the incircle, and here also radius of the incircle. In the case of equilateral triangle, its all sides are equal. So we can write here 3 into half into base 42 into altitude, that is R. We can cancel this 2 and 42, then we will get 21. So R is equal to root 3 into 42 into 42 divided by 21 into 3 into 4. We can cancel this 21 and 42, then we will get here 2, and 3 and 42 we can cancel, 1 then 4, 2 and 4 we can cancel here, then we will get here 2, and 2 and 14 7. So the radius is equal to 7 root 3. Okay, 7 root 3 centimeter. We have to find the area of the incircle. Area of the incircle is equal to pi r square. Pi r square is equal to 22 by 7 into r, 7 root 3 into 7 root 3. We can cancel this 7 and 7. 22 into 7, that is equal to 154 root 3. Then root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 means 3. So 154 into 3. 154 into 3, that is equal to 462 centimeter square. Okay, so our option C. Then 10th question. The area of incircle of an equilateral triangle is 154 centimeter square. The perimeter of the triangle is 71.5 centimeter, 71.7 centimeter, 72.3 centimeter, 72.7 centimeter. Okay, the area of an incircle of an equilateral triangle is 154 centimeter square. This is an equilateral triangle A, B, C, incircle P, Q, R, angle bisectors, and this is the point O. Then the area of an incircle of an equilateral triangle is, area of the circle is pi r square is equal to 154 centimeter square. Then r square is equal to 154 divided by pi, that is 22 into 7. We can cancel this 22 and 154, then 7. So r is equal to 7 into 7, r square is equal to 7 into 7, then r is equal to 7 centimeter. So the radius of an incircle, that is 7 centimeter, and this also 7 centimeter, and this also 7 centimeter. Okay, OQ. The next AQ is the median. AQ is the median. Then this is O, this point is O. Then AO is to OQ is equal to 2 is to 1. Then OQ is equal to 1 by 3 of AQ. AQ is equal to H. Then OQ is equal to 1 by 3H. OQ means that is 7. OQ means that is the radius of 7. 7 is equal to 1 by 3H. Therefore, H is equal to 21 centimeter. Okay. Then AB square minus BQ square is equal to AQ square. AB means side of the triangle, equilateral triangle, so its side is A. So BQ means that is A by 2. So AB square means A square minus A by 2 the whole square is equal to AQ. AQ means that is AQ is equal to 21 centimeter. This is AQ. AQ is equal to 21 centimeter. So we can write here 21 square, that is 441. Then A square minus A square by 4 is equal to 441. 4A square minus A square means 3A square is equal to 441 into 4. Therefore, A square is equal to 441 into 4 divided by 3. Therefore, A is equal to root of 441 into 4 divided by 3. Therefore, A is equal to root of 441 means 20. 21 into 2 divided by root 3. So, A is equal to, we can multiply both numerator and denominator with root 3. So, root 3 into root 3 means that is 3. We can cancel this 21 and 3 7. Then we will get 14 root 3. Then perimeter of the triangle ABC is equal to 3A. That is equal to 3 into 14 root 3. That is equal to 42 root 3. 42 into 1.73. That is equal to 72.66 centimeter. So our option is D, 72.7 centimeter. The 11th question. The area of the largest triangle that can be inscribed in a semicircle. Circle, and this is the semicircle, and the area of the largest triangle that can be inscribed in a semicircle. This is radius and this is the diameter, so this is 2R. A, B, C. Then area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base into R plus R means 2R into height. That is also R. So we can cancel this 2 and 2. Then we will get R square. So our option A. Then 12th question. The perimeter of a triangle is 30 centimeter and the circumference of its incircle is 88 centimeter. Then the area of the triangle is 70 centimeter square, 140 centimeter square, 210 centimeter square, 420 centimeter square. 12th question. Triangle, and this is the incircle. Triangle ABC, and these are the angle bisectors. This is the radius of the circle and this is center O. This is P, Q, R. Okay. Then the perimeter of the triangle is 30 centimeter. Perimeter is given there. P is equal to 30 centimeter. And the circumferences of its incircle is, circumferences of the incircle means that is 2 pi r is equal to 88. 2 pi r is equal to 88. So r is equal to 88 divided by 2 into 22 by 7. We can cancel this 22 and 88 4 and this 4 and 2. Then radius is equal to 14 centimeter. Okay. Then we have to find the area of the triangle. Perimeter of the triangle is given there. Area of the triangle is equal to area of triangle of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle, this is O, AOB, plus area of triangle BOC plus area of triangle AOC, that is equal to half into base AB into altitude, that is R, plus half into BC into R plus half into AC into R. Half R we can take it outside, then AB plus BC plus AC. AB plus BC plus AC means that is the perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter is equal to 30 cm, so we can write here 30 cm. That is equal to half into a radius, that is 14 cm, so 14 into 30. We can cancel this 2 and 40, then we will get 7. 7 into 3 means that is 210 centimeter square. So our option is C. The area of a circle is 220 centimeter square. The area of a square inscribed in it is 49 centimeter square, 70 centimeter square, 140 centimeter square, 150 centimeter square. The area of the circle is 220 centimeter square. Area of the circle means that is pi r square is equal to 220 centimeter square. So r square is equal to 220 divided by pi, that is 22 by 7. We can cancel this 22 and then we will get 10, then 70. So r square is equal to 70. So r is equal to root 70 centimeter. Okay. Then the area of the square inscribed in it, this is the circle. Area of the square inscribed in the circle. Okay, this is the diagonal of the square and also diameter of the circle. A, B, C, D, and BD is equal to 2R. So BD is equal to 2 root 70. Okay, that is BD. And the side of the square A, then BD is the diagonal of the square. Diagonal of the square is equal to A root 2. Then BD, that is the diagonal of the square. So 2 root 70 is equal to A root 2. Therefore A is equal to 2 root 70 divided by root 2. We can cancel this root 2 and 2, that is also root 2. So root 2 into root 70 means A is equal to root of 140. That is the side of the square. Then we have to find the area of the square, that is A square is equal to root of 140 square, that is equal to 140 centimeter square. So our option is C, 140 centimeter square. Okay guys, study up to here. The remaining question we will discuss in the next class. Until then, bye bye.